can hear pipes and stuff in the background, that's just family doing stuff. So unlike usual, when I would just draw and then give commentary after, I'm actually doing it in real time. So I've already got my cups of paint. These are a lot more watery now since I followed the instructions with the water and oil and everything, but I'm not going to tell you too much about that because it's a pre-video. I'm not doing an actual full video. So I'm going to set it up and everything and then flick back. I'm going to spare you guys the time of me doing that and everything as well, because who wants to watch me pull this together? And I'll see you guys back in a minute. Okay, so you can kind of see the past disasters I did with this box. But anyways, I'm going to start with doing layered paint and everything and just keep on layering. I don't really have a specific order I want to pour them in, so I'm just going to do it random. I would like a bit of white in between there. Oh yeah, I am really sorry for the audio right now. Because I'm recording from my phone, the audio is kind of all over the place and not really constant. But the next video I'll do will be with my microphone, so it won't be as all over the place and crazy. It's just because I'm recording from my phone right now. I didn't want you guys to miss me experimenting and probably messing up the painting. So I pre-made these for the intention of maybe doing a recording of it. This was so last minute, but I tried to make more of like pinkish colours because I wanted to start off with something really nice, like give off just a nice vibe, so I chose the pinks, the purples. So I'm pretty much done. I would scrape them out to get more paint, but nah, that'll take too long. So anyway, I'm also going to do a kind of black layer on the canvas first, just to encourage the paint to spread a little bit easier, and yeah, once the paint dries and some of the black will come through, it will probably look really cool. I'm not too sure if I should smooth it out or not. Nah, oh well. Also, do you know, you guys don't know how hard it was to make sure I separated the sound of me doing stuff, like the background stuff, from me actually talking. I have a box on my desk with a microphone on it, so you can't hear anything else going on except for just me talking. You can hear brush strokes here and there, but I tried my best to make sure you couldn't really hear any outside audio except for me talking. But anyway, let me just get this corner here, and I am pretty much done. I think that's fine. That looks kind of smoothed out enough. Anyway, moving on. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna pour this paint onto the canvas. I could use, let me use a piece of paper or something. Alright, let me get a piece of paper. That looks fine. Maybe. Alright, let me oh. Okay, that was clearly a failure. Alright, yeah, let me do it again. Okay, I think that looks fine. How many this out? Okay. Alright, that worked. Okay, great. Alright, let me spread this now. I'm trying to keep the main pattern inside the canvas, because I don't want it to lose too much of its pattern when I keep doing like edge bits as well. I'm hopefully trying to keep the pattern in the middle. But to me it's a squeeze, and I'll slip through all the cracks. Hope it's comfy and your feelings for it, and maybe make believe, but maybe we could be something more. Something more than smiles out the door. Something more than shy figures. Okay, I think that looks fine. Yeah, I like the pattern, that's fine. I also want to get a little bit of paint left out in the cup as well, just to fill out certain bits. I can see there's like white bits as well, which I don't really like the look of, so I'm just going to put some more paint on that. Okay, I think that looks alright. Alright, I'm going to leave this to dry and I'm going to come back. I'm going to spare you guys the time and everything as well of me doing it, and I'm just going to skip over. But I want to cut the edges really quickly as well though, because when it dries it might just not look good with the edges like that. So let me just smooth out the edges real quick. Before I switch over to Future Jordan, I'm gonna take note of the time real quick. It's 11:30 right now. I'm not sure how many hours I'm gonna take to come back to this to see what's dried, but I will skip over now. Okay, so guys, it's now currently 5:30. It's been about 6 hours and it's dried now. So you can already see it looks better than the previous one I did, but it still has its own problems going on. Oh. Yeah, so it looks alright, but the thing is, I think I might have added too much oil. You see how it's still kind of wet here? Let me pick it up so you guys can see. Okay, yeah, so as I was saying before, you see how it's still kind of shiny and reflective? That shows that there's a bit too much oil, so I think I added too much oil to the mix, which is giving it this shiny effect. I think I'm definitely going to have a few more attempts before I actually do a video on it, but I'm getting there slowly. Because it doesn't look that bad, it's just that because the oil I used too much of it, it started creating these little ridges, or whatever you want to call them, from the paint, because the oil was separating the paint and creating like lumps of air underneath the actual paint, so that's why it came out like this. I definitely will keep this as a reminder of what not to do next time, like my other one, but overall, it was a good attempt, but I'm gonna do it again. So there's probably going to be another practice video coming up. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this disaster. See ya.